The library system has two-pronged homework programs. There is the individual service that's provided by the library staff, and there is also the research resources that are available to our customers in branch and out of branch through remote access. In branch, we support all age levels, and we do what we call a reference interview to have a sense of what it is that the children need. And then once we know what it is, we can find the appropriate resources. And as befitting the library, we've got thousands of books. We have access to internet as well as Wi-Fi. The library currently has a partnership with Thomas Jefferson High School for Science and Technology called Give Tutoring. They are able to tutor one-on-one with elementary school students. We also have resources available remotely from home. One of them is called Literari. They have trained teachers that actually help students with their homework. They type up the question that they have, and they will get someone to reply in real time. We do have a new homework program that's specific to George Mason Regional Library. What I'm hoping to have children do when they come is to actually come with specific homework needs, and we would engage in that front to make this more relevant and helpful for students. Parents could get more information about the various programs that are available at Fairfax County Public Library. They can go online to get that information. We strongly recommend them to come in branch and work with us individually. My goal is always to make sure that I help students be successful. That's all. I think most children's librarians, that's all we want.